Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm at Case, however you say it. Really nice guys. They've just taken the bike in, and we'll see what happens. Lovely day. Very much glad I bought a drink with me. Bloody hell. Oh, it's a warm one today.
Recording.
Right, folks. We shall see what this is like, you know. They told me to pop a left here. Right, so just had it done. The people here are absolutely lovely. Oh, that's a big difference already on these horrible
Sharp
potholes.
left onto Wigan Road, A577. In 300 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit and stay on Wigan Road,
Oh,
A577.
Man. I tell you what, that's a big difference already, that. That is a massive difference already. Because there's automatically not as much weight on my wrist. Right, which exit? Second exit. I can't see my fucking phone. Yeah, straight on. Piece of shit. I have to sort this fucking thing out. God, it's warm. Oh, the only bad thing about that was that I was waiting outside in this bloody heat for like what felt like 3 years, but
in a quarter of a mile at the roundabout, take the second.
There's a massive difference already. This hand isn't as pushy. Like when I sit on the bike, I could already feel beforehand that the sag on the thing at the front was way too much sag on the front, and there wasn't enough on the rear. There was no static at all. And it just feels a hell of a lot more stable. Braking, it's not diving when I brake, which is lovely. Oh wow, it's a hell of a lot more stable, absolutely.
Exit the roundabout onto Atherley Way.
Yeah, there's automatically no way near as much pressure on the bars. That's a hell of a lot better. Really, really is. Not as much pressure on my palms when braking. Braking, I'm not putting a sort of extensive pressure on my wrists like I was. I'm able to brake properly, which is always a good thing. It's not lurching forward, it's not sagging or... Hello mate. It's not lurching forward, the pressure on the wrist is eased up a bit. Oh, that cornering! Oh, that's lovely, that really is nice.
Exit the roundabout on...
Can't get through there, it's too much of a squeeze, that is. This guy's going to have to let me in. God, it's that van in front stinks of fucking bud. Jesus wept. But this feels... Again, you probably, if you've not seen my other suspension tuning video where I went to shoot in TW suspension second Preston for the Ninja 1000, the difference that it makes just having a simple basic setup to your weight.
Turn right onto East Lancashire Road, okay. A580.
Calm down, darlings. Anyway, yeah, the difference it makes is just astounding. For 50 quid, it's better than spending £1 grand on Oldens and then realising it's not for you. So I mean, look at that,
right,
it's just
East Lancashire Road, A580.
It's so stable. Still a bit biased to the front a little bit. I think that's because of the rear being so soft, but that is very, very nice. Very, very nice, and I'm happy with that. So thank you very much to those guys for sorting this out for me. So yeah, absolutely worth it, guys. Well,
head southeast towards East Lancashire Road, A580, then turn left onto East Lancashire Road.
Shit. What? I've gone the wrong way. Wait, what? I don't think the map knows you can turn right here. Oh, that's nice. Oh God, what a nice day to do this, eh? What a nice day. The only issue that I had, the only issue I had with that then was just the wait time. Said it'd be about half an hour. It was about an hour or so before I got in to actually have a look. It just feels so much better. Absolutely recommended, people. If you haven't had your suspension set up, you don't understand the world of difference that it makes. You need to know your bike well enough though, or bikes in general, because I don't know if you'll get much benefit out of it. I don't really know if you get much benefit out of it if you just started biking, or if you're like I was, extremely heavy. I'm not sure if there's much that can be done really, or you'd feel much of a difference. So I might go left actually. Fuck it, let's go left. Can't really be arsed with the motorway anyway. It's a pain in the arse this time of day. School run and everything. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I'm sorry people, but you need to get your suspension done. That is such a difference.
B5207 towards Delamere Ave, slight right onto Kenyon Lane.
Here we go, here's a corner to test everything out. Oh my god, that is gorgeous.
Continue
Holy shit.
Head east on Wilton Lane, B525207 for 2 miles.
That corner is usually an arse going into Culture. Oh my god, that feels good. That is unbelievable. Oh, that's so nice. Oh. It's just a lot more stable, a lot more planted. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I've not had a bike that handles this well, ever. Obviously the honeymoon phase is still a thing, but this is incredible. Oh god, that is so nice. My god, that's fucking nice. I can't explain it. You need to have this done yourselves, because wow, what a difference. What a difference it's made. Nowhere near as bad on my wrists. I feel like I control the bike a bit better. I feel like now I can take the right weight off my wrists with my knees a bit better, making it a lot easier to handle. I'm going to clock off, chaps. I'm going to clock off for a bit.